Augmented Reality Mobile Robotics, or ARMOR, is a brand new engineering design and simulation app for iPhone, iPad, and macOS. This Getting Started video will show you how to download the app and familiarize yourself with its features. Let's start with how to install AR Mobile Robotics. The easiest way to install ARMOR is to visit our official site at armor.dcengineer.com. There you will find a link to download on the App Store, which will redirect you to the download page. Here you will see screenshots of ARMOR and a button to get the app, which will install it on your device. If you prefer, you can also search for ARMOR using the official App Store app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. After installation, look for the ARMOR robot icon on your home screen. The first time you launch the app, you will see the onboarding flow. Here you will be introduced to some of its key features, including advanced robot design and simulation tools, 3D and spatial reality visualization, the multi-body joints and contact solver, URDF viewing and editing, and iCloud project storage and sharing. The onboarding flow includes an interactive tutorial where you will build your first model, which is a simple swinging pendulum. ARMOR provides the base structure, you will build the rest. Start with adding a continuous joint, which provides a single rotational degree of freedom, and offset it vertically to align with your hinge post. Then add a box-shaped link, which is where we will add the visible and inertial properties. Extend that link in the horizontal direction and offset its center so that it will fall under gravity. ARMOR is built using RealityKit on iOS, which means you can view your pendulum model in 3D and in spatial reality. This means you can render your robots in the real-world environment. Physics simulation is performed using MuJoCo by Google DeepMind, the modern standard for robotics and multi-body dynamic simulation. Now that you've built your first model, we hope you're empowered to use ARMOR to design and simulate your own robots. ARMOR uses URDF, or Universal Robot Description Format, which is standard in the Robot Operating System, or ROS, along with desktop simulators like Gazebo or Drake. Since it is a standard format, you can even try prompting your favorite AI model to generate a model in URDF, like the Pendulum Wave device that I created with the help of Gemini. Many robot vendors will provide their models in URDF format, like the Reachy Mini robot by Hugging Face, which I download off of GitHub. Many other companies do the same, and you can visit the official ARMOR site to find links to a few of them. Once you've built a robot, you can even share it with your friends right inside the app. We think a lot of engineers and physicists that study or work in the robotics industry would love to add ARMOR to their design and visualization toolkit. Finally, if you care to learn more, I hope you'll follow us on YouTube at dc.engineer or on Instagram at ar.mobile.robotics. I will be posting more videos like this one to talk about the professional robotics workflow on mobile devices that is enabled by ARMOR. I hope to see you there.